Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. My name is Deepak and I am incredibly excited today to stand before you as a candidate for your next school pupil leader. First of all, I would like to take a moment to thank you all for your support and giving me an opportunity to share my concerns and thoughts about this school. Imagine a school where everyone's voice is heard, every idea is valued, and every challenge is met with enthusiasm and creativity. That's the kind of school I envision, and with your help, we can make this vision into a reality. As your school pupil leader, my primary goal is to make this school a better place for everyone. I would like to ensure many team building activities and celebrating diversities with everyone by appreciating cultural days and organizing many team building activities and programs. Second of all, your ideas matter, and I am committed to make sure that your ideas are heard. I will establish regular student forums and suggestion boxes so that you can share your thoughts and concerns with me. Last of all, I know the problems we face as students because I face them too. Whether it's stresses of exam or the desire to fit in, I will make sure that I will work closely with the staff and teachers to solve these problems. Once again, my name is Deepak and my symbol is book. I am not just asking for your vote, but I am asking for your partnership. Together, let's make this school a better place for everyone. Thank you everyone for this opportunity.